Hello, welcome to Tutorial for You channel. In this video, I will show you how you can use your WhatsApp on your PCs. So I will be showing you two ways to use WhatsApp in your PC. The timestamp will be in the description for you to navigate. So first, let's see the most easiest way to use WhatsApp on your PC. You have to go to whatsapp.com on any browser of your choice and click on WhatsApp web, this first option. After that, this window will be open with this barcode. Now you have to go to your phone, open your WhatsApp, and in the top right corner you can see the three dot. Click on that and click on link devices. Now you can see the button link device. Click on that. Now it will ask you for the password, so you can use your password here. Now it is telling you how you can scan. You can see now it is logging in. As you can see, it is loading my chat on the PC, and I don't have any chat, so that's why it is showing nothing right now. And you can log out by clicking on this three dot button and click on this logout button, and also you can log out from your phone as well by clicking. You can see that it is showing me Google Chrome and it is showing me active, so I click on this and I have to click on log out. So you can see logging out, and it will also log out you from your PC. So this is the first way to open WhatsApp on your PC. The second way, you can download this WhatsApp app into your PC like any other software. So if you have a window, you will have to search for Microsoft Store and open that. So as you can see, the Microsoft Store is opening, and here are all the apps you can download. You have to go to the top bar and search for WhatsApp. Open the WhatsApp app. You can see the screenshots and the description, and you have to click on this get button. Click on this get button. It will take some time to download. You have to wait for it to download. The downloading has started. So as you can see, our WhatsApp is downloaded, and now we have the option of opening it. And if you search for WhatsApp on your search bar, you will find WhatsApp. Here it is. Now you can click on this open button. So you can see this window, welcome to WhatsApp. Click on get started. This window will appear. This is the same window which came before when we are trying to log in into our WhatsApp in our web browser. Go to your phone and open your WhatsApp business or any WhatsApp you can open, or you can open WhatsApp business. Click on link device and click on link a device. Enter your password or use your fingerprint, and now you can see the camera is open. And now when I scan the barcode, it is logging in. So you can see first it was showing me Google Chrome browser. Now it is showing me window. So, and you can see in my window it is logged in. You can log in, log out from here as well by going to setting and clicking on this log out button. And you can log out from your phone as well by clicking on this and log out. It will log out you from this window as well. You can see it has closed and it is now reloading and reopening it. And if you click on get started, it will show this barcode for us to scan again. So this is how you can download WhatsApp on your PC. And if you don't want to download the WhatsApp app onto your PC, use a browser and search for WhatsApp web and just scan the barcode and use WhatsApp into your PC. If this video helped you, download WhatsApp into your PC. Please give it a like and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.